Right.
I'll end up laughing.
Right, so we're down at Melbourne Raceway and we're with Harley and his Combo C van, and would you believe it's got a Saab engine in it? So, tell us a bit about it. What made you start doing a build in a Combo C? What did you do to it first? Because I know it's been through a few different phases, hasn't it? And what's done to it now?
The only reason is I started it because I had it as a daily van, as a fishing van. Used it for 2 years with a 1.7 diesel in it. Then after that, it started getting silly. I thought I'll do an engine conversion, and then did the conversion, but couldn't do the wiring, so I got in touch with Matt Cutler at Auto Wire. He came over, didn't even know him at this point, came over and we started messing about, and then now this is the 4th stage of where the van is at. So it's been built again every year over 4 years, and now it is what you see at the minute.
So what did you do then? Just put a standard Saab setup in it to start with?
Actually, just a standard 2 litre, bang, straight in with a... I tried running the standard turbo. The standard turbo were no good. It blew its to bits within like a week, and then after that put a TD04 19T on it by KRS turbos. That was all I could have wanted at that point. It's still a road toy. It's still a road toy now. I use it on road, but then now it's getting more and more nearly a drag van like. So
it's almost, so with Saab engines go, they start getting more and more drag orientated.
It has some money thrown at it now, like, but it's not. The amount people spend on stuff compared to what you spend on stuff if you do it yourself is a massive difference. That's the bonus of this. It's all being built in house. So.
Oh yeah, you save a massive amount if you end up doing it yourself.
Yeah. No, a lot. So.
And obviously, it's hats off to anyone out there that does their own builds. It is like a big thing. I appreciate everyone that decides to get their hands dirty.
One thing I will say is anybody should have a go at it. Even if I've never ever done the engine bay side of stuff or anything, no, like bodywork or out like that. I've never done it before, so, and I just thought I want the base smoothed, so went for it. Didn't measure anything. The overarch is literally just bent over my knee, and then everyone says, well, how did you get the other one exactly the same? I says, well, my knee ain't going to change shape, so you just bend it over your knee again. That's how they look so perfect, matched to each other, because it's just bent over your leg. Right. No measurements and out, but nearly the engine mount didn't fit, so I've had to grind the engine mount back down because I didn't measure how wide I could have it. I just put the engine mount back in.
Right. So this is a 2.3, is it all stock internals still?
All stock internals. The only thing that is changed with the engine is the head gasket for a Cometic head gasket and ARP head studs. Well, fake ARP head studs. I don't know what, I can't remember, I think they're a Volvo one or something with a washer on, but just cheaper, but they do the same job it seems.
See, Simon Fogg, he's running basically the same setup.
I don't want to talk about Simon Fogg this weekend.
Yeah, he's absolutely whooped you, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has, yeah. He cheats, he doesn't have to change gear, so that's my excuse. I'm slow at changing gears, so that's
you heard it. All the excuses are coming out now. He don't have to change gear.
No, well, I was first yesterday, and then I was winding Si up this morning when he came doing the number 1 to him, because I was number 1 in class. Then he's gone and obliterated me, so fair play to him though, that is a fair machine, so good work to him for getting first place.
And what times have you been getting here?
The fastest was a 8.133. Right. So, but the way that I've worked this out is the 8th here is going to be a lot slower than Santa Pod. So the Santa Pod time, I've PB'd my Santa Pod 8th. So if I go to Pod now with the setup and the work we've done this weekend here, it should be a lot quicker on the quarter. I should have an 11-second van now instead of a 12-1. So that's better.
And what horsepower are you running?
It'd be about 540 at the minute, but I need to go back to the dynos, so then we'll be able to have an actual number of what it is.
Who's done all the fab work, is it?
The fab work within the boost pipes and stuff like that is all Andy Crank at Crankworks' work, so fair play to him. He's done a proper job of that. Like, but everything else really is either like the front end and stuff behind the bumper is all done by me. I made it all in the unit.
Andrew Crank is the GOAT. He's the person to go to. He is number one. Saab works king. So I'll just leave it there. The van actually speaks for itself. I've got some shots of it going down, so I'm going to add them in and overlays of the van. And yeah, thank you, Harley.
Not a problem. Cheers, pal.
For letting me do a quick little overlook of you.
Cheers, lad.
Cheers, mate. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you later.